ìgbéyàwó kó àyànmọ́ méjì papọ̀.
And we also said marriage put an end to shame.
Mo sì tún jẹ́ kó yé wa pé ìgbéyàwó ló fi òpin sí ìtìjú.
And we said the purpose of marriage is for God's purpose.
Mo sọ fún wa pé ìgbéyàwó jẹ́ fún èrè ìdí Ọlọ́run.
And we also said it's a means of rendering assistance to each other.
Àti pé ó tún jẹ́ ọ̀nà láti jọ ran ara ẹni lọ́wọ́ nínú ìgbéyàwó.
And after that we move to what it means to be blemished.
Lẹ́yìn náà a tún ta kánkán sínú ohun tó túmọ̀ sí kó jẹ́ aláìlábùkù.
We said what blemish means are those things that make marriage unfit for God's purpose.
Mo sọ fún wa pé níní àbùkù jẹ́ ohun tí ò jẹ́ kí ìgbéyàwó kó mú ìdí Ọlọ́run ṣẹ.
And 3 Sundays ago we discussed on adultery.
Ní ọjọ́ ìsinmi mẹ́ta sẹ́yìn a gbéyẹ̀wò ohun tí àgbèrè ń ṣe.
We said adultery is marriage, is sex outside marriage.
Mo sọ pé àgbèrè jẹ́ ìbálòpọ̀ eléyìí tí kò tọ́ nípa ìgbéyàwó.
And we said the consequences of death is, adultery is death. And we said it has destroyed so many lives.
Mo sọ wípé àbájáde àgbèrè ní ikú, ó sì ti bà ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìgbéyàwó jẹ́.
And some other things we discussed on adultery.
Àǹtí òmíràn tí a gbéyẹ̀wò lórí àgbèrè.
While last Sunday we discussed on breaking the demonic bloodline patterns.
Ní ọjọ́ ìsinmi tó kọjá a gbéyẹ̀wò fífọ́ ìlànà ẹ̀jẹ̀.
And we said bloodline pattern are those things that recurs in marriage.
Mo jẹ́ kó yé wa pé ìlànà ẹ̀jẹ̀ ohun tó ń farahàn nínú ìgbéyàwó.
Things that are not good.
Ohun tí kò dára tó ń farahàn nínú ìgbéyàwó.
We try to look at the bloodline of Abraham.
A sì gbéyẹ̀wò ìlànà ẹ̀jẹ̀ ti Ábúráhámù.
We said there is barrenness here.
Mo sọ pé ìyàgàn wà nínú rẹ̀.
We said there is also always a battle against the firstborn.
Mo sì tún jẹ́ kó yé wa pé àwọn àkọ́bí a máa dojúkọ ogun púpọ̀.
And some other things we discussed last Sunday.
Àti òmíràn tá a gbéyẹ̀wò ní ọjọ́ ìsinmi tó kọjá.
But today I want to read Proverbs 23 verse 7.
Lónìí mo fẹ́ gbéyẹ̀wò ìwé òwe orí kẹtàlélógún.
Proverbs 23 verse 7.
Orí kẹtàléníogún.
Verse 7.
Ẹsẹ̀ ìkeje.
For as he thinketh in his heart, so he is.
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ó ti ṣe rò ní ọkàn rẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lórí.
For as he thinketh in his heart, so he is.
Nítorí pé bí ó ti ṣe ń rò ní ọkàn rẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ó rí.
God told me this morning.
Olúwa sọ fún mi ní àárọ̀ yìí.
That the problem of many people in marriage.
Pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wàhálà ọ̀pọ̀ àwọn èèyàn nínú ìgbéyàwó.
Is as a result of their mind.
Ó ní í ṣe pẹ̀lú ohun tí wọ́n rò ní ọkàn wọn.
Some people go into marriage with wrong perception.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ń lọ ní ìgbéyàwó pẹ̀lú èrò tí kò dára.
Some go into marriage with a mind to war.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ń lọ sínú ìgbéyàwó pẹ̀lú ọkàn àti lọ jagun níbẹ̀.
Because one way or the other they've heard somewhere that marriage is war.
Nítorí pé wọ́n ti gbọ́ níbì kan rí pé ìgbéyàwó jẹ́ ilé ogun jíjà.
So little things, little misunderstanding in marriage will lead to war.
Bí ohunkóhun tí ò bá dára bá ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wọn nínú ìgbéyàwó yóò di ìjà.
Because their mind is wrong.
Ìdí ni pé ọkàn tí wọ́n fi wọnú rẹ̀ ó jọ́kàn tí ò dára.
Some people believe men are not good.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ tilẹ̀ gbàgbọ́ pé àwọn ọkùnrin ò tiẹ̀ dára rárá.
They believe men are wicked and they are not to be relied upon.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ tiẹ̀ ti ní ọkàn pé ọkùnrin ò ṣeé gbọ́kànlé.
Some believe you can never find a faithful man in marriage.
Ọ̀pọ̀ tiẹ̀ ti pinnu rẹ̀ ní ọkàn wọn pé kò lè rí ọkùnrin tó dára nínú ìgbéyàwó.
That every man is promiscuous.
Pé gbogbo ọkùnrin rádaràda jákujàku ni wọ́n.
So that mind is wrong.
Irú ọkàn bẹ́ẹ̀ ó jẹ́ ọkàn tí kò tọ́.
Some men believe that there is no how you try to please a woman, you can never please them.
Ọ̀pọ̀ tiẹ̀ ti pinnu ní ọkàn wọn pé kò sí bí o sì lè tẹ́ obìnrin lọ́rùn pé èṣù ni wọ́n.
Some people believe that having a mother-in-law is a problem in marriage.
Ọ̀pọ̀ tiẹ̀ ti pinnu pé níní ìyàkọ nínú ìgbéyàwó kò tọ̀nà.
I've even heard a lady that said she will pray that her mother-in-law dies before she enter the marriage.
Mo ti gbọ́ nípa obìnrin kan tó sọ pé kó tó di pé òun dé ilé ọkọ òun kí ìyá ọkọ òun ti kú.
All this mindset
Gbogbo orú ọkàn bí eléyìí
brings problems in marriage.
òun ló ń kó wàhálà wọnú ìgbéyàwó.
For this scripture says, as he thinketh in his heart.
bíbélì tá a kà yóò wípé nítorí bí ó ṣe rò ní ọkàn rẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ó
Because
rí.
what you think is what you see.
ohun tí o bá ń rò ní ọkàn rẹ ni ó máa yọjú sí ọ.
And what you see is what you will get.
ohun tí o bá sì ń rí òun lọ́ọ́ gbà.
So if your mind is saying marriage is war,
bí ọkàn rẹ bá ń sọ fún ọ pé ìgbéyàwó ogun ni.
if your mind is saying men are not good,
bí ọkàn rẹ bá ń sọ fún ọ pé àwọn ọkùnrin ò dára.
if your mind is saying women you can never please them,
bí ọkàn rẹ bá tún ń sọ fún ọ pé o ò lè tẹ́ ọkùnrin lọ́rùn.
if your mind is saying having a mother-in-law is a problem,
bí ọkàn rẹ bá tẹ̀síwájú láti sọ fún ọ pé níní ìyá ọkọ ogun ni.
definitely you will see them in marriage.
ohun tí ó rí nínú ìgbéyàwó rẹ náà ni eléyìí.
Some people had changed their spouse by the reason of their wrong mindset.
ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ti yí ìgbé ayé ìyàwó wọn tàbí ọkọ wọn padà nítorí ọkàn tán gbé wọnú ìgbéyàwó.
I was with this man several years ago before I go into marriage.
mo wà pẹ̀lú